SAPR-ART plugin, number 808, is a tool developed for fast insertion of embeds in reinforced concrete structures. The group main properties includes embed type selection, name and prefix parameters, material settings, and the option to create an auxiliary part in the middle of the top plate. The group's plate properties and rebar properties allow defining name, prefix, material, grade, size, class, and type of plate creation. The group's Type 1 and Type 2 are used to define embed geometric dimensions and rebar spacings, depending on the selected embed type. The group additional parameters allows configuring anchor arrangement type and welding type of reinforcing bars. The group rotation allows rotating the embed about X, Y, and Z axes within the concrete structure. The group Writing to UDA enables writing specific information, including type designation and additional embed data, to user-defined attributes. This tool simplifies the design and insertion of embeds, providing advanced configuration options and full parameter control within Tekla structures.